Debunking the claim. Seniors, eat these 6 fruits to instantly melt blood clots. Ever seen a headline that sounds too good to be true? Today, we're tackling one of those. Seniors, eat these 6 fruits to instantly melt blood clots. Sounds amazing, right? But is it actually true? Let's find out. This headline is designed to grab your attention, especially if you're concerned about blood clots. It promises a quick and easy solution using just fruit. But before you rush to the grocery store, let's break down why this claim is likely misleading. Blood clots are a serious medical condition that can lead to severe health problems. They require proper diagnosis and treatment. The idea that fruits can instantly melt them is not supported by scientific evidence. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns. Your health is too important to gamble with. The article behind this headline probably focuses on fruits that have some beneficial properties for blood health. It's likely trying to connect these benefits to the idea of dissolving blood clots, but the connection is weak. Fruits high in vitamin C, like oranges and strawberries, might be mentioned. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports blood vessel function. However, this doesn't mean it can dissolve existing blood clots. The article might also highlight fruits containing salicylates, such as berries and cherries. Salicylates have mild blood-thinning properties. But again, this is a far cry from instantly melting a clot. Finally, fruits rich in potassium, like bananas and avocados, could be included. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which is important for overall cardiovascular health. But it's not a direct clot-busting agent. The impact of fruits on blood clots is likely minimal and indirect. While a healthy diet including fruits is beneficial, it's not a substitute for proper medical treatment when it comes to blood clots. Don't be fooled by the hype. Blood clots are often caused by underlying medical conditions that require specific interventions. These conditions can range from genetic predispositions to lifestyle factors. Fruits alone can't address these complex issues. Medical intervention, such as medication or procedures, is often necessary to treat blood clots effectively. These interventions are designed to directly address the clot and prevent further complications. Relying solely on fruit is dangerous. Ignoring proper medical treatment and relying solely on fruit could lead to serious health consequences. A blood clot that isn't properly treated can cause a stroke, heart attack, or pulmonary embolism. Don't take the risk. The phrase instantly melt is highly misleading and irresponsible. It creates a false sense of security and encourages people to ignore potentially life-threatening symptoms. Let's be clear, no fruit can instantly melt a blood clot. Dissolving a blood clot is a complex physiological process. It involves specific enzymes and proteins that break down the clot structure. This process doesn't happen instantly, and it certainly doesn't happen with a simple snack. Specific medications, such as thrombolytics, are sometimes used to dissolve blood clots. These medications are administered under strict medical supervision. No food can replicate the effect of these powerful drugs. There is simply no scientific evidence to support the claim that any food can achieve this effect instantly. Don't fall for the hype. Stick to evidence-based information and consult with your doctor. Seniors and all individuals should consult a doctor if they have concerns about blood clots. A doctor can properly diagnose the issue and recommend the appropriate treatment plan. Don't self-diagnose or self-treat. A doctor can perform the necessary tests to determine if you have a blood clot and identify the underlying cause. This is crucial for developing an effective treatment strategy. Early diagnosis is key. Appropriate treatment for blood clots may include medication, lifestyle changes, or even surgical procedures. Your doctor will tailor the treatment plan to your specific needs and medical history. Follow their advice carefully. Proper management of blood clot concerns involves regular checkups and monitoring. This helps ensure that the treatment is effective and that any potential complications are addressed promptly. Stay proactive about your health. It's crucial to be skeptical of unsubstantiated claims about food and blood clots. Always verify information with reliable sources and consult with a healthcare professional. Don't trust everything you read online. A balanced diet, including fruits, is essential for overall health and well-being. Fruits provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support various bodily functions, but they are not a cure for blood clots. While a healthy diet can contribute to better blood health, it's not a substitute for medical treatment when it comes to serious conditions like blood clots. Don't let misleading headlines distract you from seeking proper care. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Protect it by making informed decisions based on evidence and professional guidance. Don't gamble with your well-being by relying on unproven claims. The headline "Seniors Eat These 6 Fruits to Instantly Melt Blood Clots" is an oversimplification of a complex medical issue. It's designed to grab attention, but it lacks scientific support and can be misleading. This type of headline is potentially dangerous because it can lead people to delay or forego proper medical treatment. This can have serious consequences for their health. Don't let sensationalism compromise your well-being. If you have concerns about blood clots, please seek professional medical advice from a qualified healthcare provider. They can provide an accurate diagnosis and recommend the appropriate treatment plan. Your health is worth it. Do not self-treat with specific foods based on sensationalized claims. This can be harmful and delay the necessary medical intervention. Always prioritize evidence-based medical care and consult with your doctor. Prioritize evidence-based medical care and make informed decisions about your health. Don't let misleading headlines and unsubstantiated claims compromise your well-being. Your health is too important to take lightly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. And remember, always consult with your doctor for any health concerns.